March 17th, 2026, 8 p.m. St. Patrick's Day, Viva Las Vegas. I'm here at the Wyndham. My friends are out watching some Irish dancing. I need to just feel like a person again before I go do anything. We can give you a tour. You want a tour? Let's do that. Let's hit the lights. We'll give you the tour. Got the master bedroom, got the big old bathtub with the jets and everything. A toilet. Lots of closets. Oh my gosh. There's a washer and dryer in here too. Is there more than one? Oh, the safe. To keep your things safe. Dressers and there she is. Hello. Got a little bar set up, the whole kitchen. This beautiful little booth that makes you feel like you're in a restaurant. All my board games on the table. Look at that zoom capability. Wow. This camera hasn't been taken out since 2014. We got the living room. And then, yeah, what's in here? If that was the dresser. Oh, this is just a closet. It is just a closet. We got another mirror. Another bathroom. Some more TVs, and let's hit the lights in here. How do we get this on? On. Light. All of the lights. So we're gonna have a lot of fun here. My friends are gonna be right here soon. We'll check back in when that happens.